Well, that was kind of good. It ran, which is surprising. What have I got to do? Well, not sure how this motor mount's holding up. As you can see there, I didn't have the wiring tied back and it's been chewed through by rubbing up against the flywheel. What else we got to do? This is not mounted up square, so it's a bit offset, which causes a lot of vibration when it's running. So we've got to fix the clutch setup. Other than that, it's vibrated itself loose. Just some basic teething issues. Nothing too major. But all in all, I think it's a success. I think we'll be able to get this in the water and running. Yeah, there's exhausts. Didn't work too well. So I'll have to think of something there. But overall, I think it was pretty successful considering it runs. So just a bit of tuning and some little bits of maintenance and I think we'll be good to go. Stay tuned.